Well, here we go. Blizzard 2010, February. What, February 6th? Look at this. Dear God. Bless everyone. Sorry about that fish. Thank goodness some water's running in there. Poor fishies. Our pond is obliviated. There's our car. Ha! Yeah, I'm getting out there. Trees. There's our gazebo.
Look on your head.
I see it. What are you doing up there? Is that how Loomis gets out? Don't eat the snow. Anyway, you guys, my dump truck. Just a lot of snow. This is my barbecue. Don't know where it is.
Loomis!
Loomis!
Who are you calling?
Loomis!
Loomis!
Well, anyway, you can see all the trees. That's what's on top of the band trailer. We're just covered. It's kind of cool though. Go back in here. Can't really see much back in here. There's Harry's tree house. His tree house is kind of in trouble. Glad he's not in there. I think I have an idea where Loomis is. I think he got in here. Louie. No Loomis. See if we can't close this back over. Anyway. Hoo-ah! That's looking out towards the street.
Is there a street?
Say again?
Is there a street?
There isn't a street. But I think I found out where Loomis is going. Come on, Louie! There he is. He's back in there. You want to shoot some hoops? Do you think Harry wants to go in the treehouse?
Yeah.
All my bamboo's down. Got a trailer way over there down. I'm surprised. I don't know if you guys can see how much the trees are covered. Somebody's going by. This is nasty. Nasty. I'm going to say we're at least 24 inches. I don't know. I could be wrong. But I've shoveled. I shoveled right here. And it's covered. Let me see. 2 more vehicles. Don't even know where they're
Right
at.
there.
That's the street. Can't get out. Had a little tree damage up there, but it don't look too bad from what I could see here.
Hi, Daddy.
What are you doing, girl? Where's the buzzer?
Right there.
Where's the buzzard?
Where's his coat?
I don't know. Where's his coat? What about you?
I don't know.
Oh, whatever.
Hey!
All right. Is there a snow song you know?
Uh-huh.
Sing one. I like to play in the snow.
I like to race in the snow
Because Daddy likes to play in the snow.
and I like to like it.
What's up, Buzz? You want to come out? Come on. Come on. He's like, no way.
He's like, I was out. I peed.
There's a little bit of a drift on our thing here. I'll put this on Facebook for you so you can see ours. We had some of our screens cave in. The snow. We had a tree drop there.
Look behind you.
I know. Lot of snow. Like I said, there's our fish pond. They're probably all right, but at least the water's moving. All right, we better get in. I'm soaked. Go in on the plastic. All right. We're out of here.
Okay.
Come on. Inside, baby. Stay on the plastic. Thank you. All right, Facebookers. That's what it's looking like right now. South Jersey. Having a blizzard. Probably. I haven't seen something like this. I haven't seen something like this since like 78. 77, 79. We were jumping off second floors. But right in the drifts in Anglesey, the beach colonies where I kind of grew up a little bit. But we definitely want to give a shout out because we need everybody to stay safe. Hopefully, well, not even hopefully. I know Timmy's looking over all of us right now. Vic and Ronnie, all them guys. They'll all be missed. Charlie Doonan, Matt Bradley. A lot of people are gone. I shouldn't even keep mentioning because there's more than that. I feel bad, but anyway, at least we got angels looking over us. Timmy's a pretty big boy, so he won't let no trees fall on us. You want to say goodbye to the folks?
Goodbye.
Say happy winter storms.